So quickly we will see how to create a YouTube campaign. For that, you can go into adwords.google.com, sign into it, then select the account in which you want to create a campaign. It will be quick 5 minute thing that I'm going to tell you. Then if you want to create a new campaign, click on create a new campaign. Which type of campaign you want to create? Primarily the YouTube campaigns are, oh, this account is already suspended, so let's use some other account. I was saying generally the YouTube campaign are created, the video campaigns are created to push the awareness and very limited campaign are give you returns. So primarily whenever you're creating a video campaign, keep that thing in mind and always create a campaign which is about consideration, awareness or brand reach. Okay, I always run a video campaign under product and brand consideration, under that YouTube video, then influence. Okay, and go ahead. And after that, simply the change over here, as you have seen in search campaign, it's the bidding type was CPC. In the display campaign, you have got another option called CPM, that is cost per 1,000 impressions. In the case of video campaign, you will see a new strategy, that is CPV, that is cost per view. So you will be paying per view. Okay, so you can decide the campaign budget. Let's say I want to spend 10 rupees. Okay, although you should spend, and let me put 1,000 rupees so that I can show you estimated budgets and bids as well. And date is required, let's say tomorrow. Okay, I can get 3 billion impressions. Okay, when I select where I can show my ad, I can show my ad on YouTube search, result, YouTube videos, and display network. And when I go to ad group, I can have the same targeting options as same as display campaign, demographic, audience, keyword, topic, placement. So you can select any of them. Like I select CPV as 0.05 paise. So it will tell me how many impressions I can get. And then after that, which video you want to promote, you can type the URL of it. For example, I want to promote, let's say this video. So I copy the URL of this video, whichever video you want to promote, put it over here and done. Okay. Now it says my bid is low. I have to increase. So I have increased. Okay, 10 paise still showing. Okay, CPV is fine, 50 paise. Okay, and then select in-stream ads. Okay, what is in-stream ads? Skippable in-stream ads, the normal YouTube video ads which you see generally on any of the videos. Okay, this is an in-stream skippable ad. So you can skip that video after 5 seconds or the whole video gets played. Okay, like jivansati.com is running this ad, which is around up to 15 seconds. Okay, and this ad, okay, so this ad you can run in that, although again, it's consideration stage, you can give the URL of your product. But again, you will not get a huge conversion rate. You will not get any big, how should I say, a big conversion in it. Okay, to be true, you will not get that. You can define call to action, let's say, uh, get code, whatever your ad is about. You can define your CTA according to that, and it should be under 10 digits and cheapest home loan. Let's suppose, let's continue that example. It is greater than 15 words, characters, so I reduce it to 10, and then you can do simple. Just the only difference comes is the type of bidding, which by default is CPV, and targeting you have to select very exactly similar to video, exactly similar to the display campaign, where all these options are very exactly same. Okay, and set up the bid, and just in like similar to display ads, you have to select the video. Over there, you select the uh, graphic. Over here, you select the video. Just put the YouTube URL of it, then final URL, display URL, call to action, and headline. That's all. Nothing else is required. Okay, that is how video ad is run. Now, let me take questions. Guys, any question you have in this? Quickly let me know. Any questions, anything you want to ask?
Yeah, you randomly selected one video, right?
Sorry, your voice is backing.
You randomly selected a video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, suppose if I want to advertise on my software, so what kind of videos will I select? Randomly, I can go and select anything.
If you want to sell your video, your software, you will make a video of 30 seconds to 1 minute where you talk about the benefits of it, like problem solving. What is the problem? How you are solving it, and how your product is beneficial. Make a simple video with Quadviews or any other software of 30 seconds to 1 minute, and upload it on YouTube and market that. Got it, Sanjana? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Anyone else has a question? If it is clear, press 1 into the chat box.
Sir, we can upload from our PC, or we need to select only URLs?
You can, you have to upload it on YouTube once, okay, and then use that link over here. You can't upload it. You have to put it on YouTube.
So, Jatin, where will these videos be seen? Like, if somebody searches for, say, house for any of our keywords, say housing loan or something like that.
For that, you decide over here, the targeting.
Achha.
Like the way you select the targeting in display campaign, similarly here also you will select the targeting. आप जो targeting select करोगे उसके according आपका video उसको दिखेगा.
अच्छा, मतलब Google search results में भी जहाँ पर videos का section होता है वहाँ पर भी दिख सकता है.
हाँ, correct. नहीं, Google search में video ad नहीं दिखेगा.
ऊपर
only either in YouTube और YouTube के सर्च में दिख सकता है, YouTube के अंदर कहीं पे भी दिख सकता है, प्लस डिस्प्ले नेटवर्क में.
डिस्प्ले नेटवर्क ऑफ गूगल सर्च.
गूगल, हाँ, गूगल, नॉट गूगल सर्च.
अच्छा,
गूगल की जितनी पार्टनर वेबसाइट है, दैट इज गूगल नेटवर्क ना, उसमें दिख सकता है. गूगल सर्च में कभी भी पेड वीडियो ऐड नहीं दिखता है.
एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है ना गूगल सेंस. गूगल सेंस इज व्हाट? गूगल सेंस.
गूगल एडसेंस.
या गूगल एडसेंस.
या although that is not a part of your course, but ये मैंने आपको शायद बताया भी था आप लोगों को, I can't remember it, is that जब आप आपका YouTube चैनल या YouTube या वेबसाइट आपकी पॉपुलर हो जाती है, you have good amount of traffic, then you can apply to Google AdSense, and then you can show ads on your either video or your website, and then you can start making money. For example, like I have applied it on our festival website. I hope it's working. Yeah, you can see this ad. Okay, so this is by Google, but for that your ad should be really, your website should have good amount of traffic and authentic traffic. Okay, you can see I have put like 100 3-4 ads in a page. This is through Google AdSense. So if I show you Google AdSense account, okay, I don't know how much I was earning from this account. Any other question apart from this till the time it is opening?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
if I want to make a skippable ad, is it the same process? I thought this is the way I do it, and I'm kind of confused.
Your voice is very fainted, Ranjana. Can you a little louder, please?
Now, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, if I want to make a skippable ad, is it the same? I thought this is the same process.
Yeah, the process is same. The process is same. This is the one which we make was a skippable ad. If you don't want to make a skippable ad, you have to make a video ad of less than 15 seconds. Okay. But my point.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is like my earning of $237. In November, December, we activated, and now it is on some other account. I can't remember the account credentials of it, but it depends how much traffic you have, uh, how much traffic you have primarily on that. It depends. Okay. Any other question, guys?
Yeah, can you show? Yeah, you opened the campaign. You made that. You're running the campaign now, right? So this video will show where? Whose YouTube?
Video will share on YouTube like this. Okay, on desktop view like this, on mobile like this, on Google partners like this. Okay. Any other question? Guys, any other question you have? We have 15 minutes. Anything apart from video ads, if you want to ask, please let me know, because today is the last class. Any question, anything which is in your mind you want to discuss?
Yeah, I have 2 questions. Sorry, I'm asking again and again.
No problem. Perfectly fine.
Not about this video ad. About we have to take up an exam. I want to know what exactly is it. Do we have to create a campaign, or is it just a question answer kind of exam? Any idea?
Okay, for exams, for getting certification, you have to go on Google certification. Okay, this is Google Ads. Just type in Google Ads certification. Okay, and then you have to go. I'm sharing a URL as well. Okay, you can open this URL. Open with your Gmail ID, log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, and then you can go on any certification. If you want to go through the course, you can go through the course, or if you want to give the exam, you can select the exam and give it to that. Okay, but you need a 80% score to clear it. And if you need a cheat sheet is being shared with the counselors. They will send it to you. You can use those as well. That sheet has a lot of answers of these questions.
Okay. They said they'll send me a link or something. It's an open book exam. So I'm just wondering. Okay.
Yeah. Any other question, Anjana?
Yeah, one more question. Last question actually.
No
What
problem.
about the job opportunities? I went to 5FR and freelancer and all that. Now, because of the unemployment rate is so high, there are a lot of people bidding at cheaper rates. So it's very difficult to get a job from there. It's like winning a lottery. So, do you
Yeah,
have any suggestions?
to be true, the current unemployment rate, it's to be true. Uh, this is the high time when you will not get a job easily. You
Okay.
have to do a tough competition because digital marketing has jobs. At the same time, there is a huge number of digital marketings are
Yeah,
produced in India, and at the same time a lot of businesses are getting shut down because digital marketing get a business from other businesses. It's
correct.
not a core business. It's not digging out iron and converting into a TMT steel and sell it. Okay, it's
Yeah,
marketing of that business. So our business depend completely on the other businesses. If other businesses are growing, definitely digital marketing is growing. If other businesses are growing, digital marketing is also going down.
correct.
Like so the best way to get a job is first get the Google certification, Facebook certification. That URL will be shared with you by the respective counselors. You can reach out to them, call them. They will share the cheat sheets with you as well. So get the certification, start applying for the job, and prepare case studies. Okay, prepare case study means like if you are looking for social media job, then prepare a couple of or 5 or 6 content calendar for different industries. Show them that this is my capability. You have not done a job, but you can show.
Okay.
I don't have a portfolio, but I have created on my understanding so that someone who is sitting, who's taking interview, he can understand she has not implemented, but she has a very good knowledge. Okay. Similarly with Google AdWords, if you have certification that justifies that you have a good knowledge. Okay. And go through these course terminologies, go through our recordings again and again and note down every single optimization technique which I've told you. And in terms of SEO, you can again, before going for an interview, you can do an SEO audit of their website, how many title tags their website has or doesn't have, and what kind of optimization you can do. Do that and tell them so that in all the three fields you will be able to prove your skill in the interview.
Then I'll have to listen to your recordings again once more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question, guys? Welcome. Chaitanya, Aditya, Rajiv, Uday, Tanya, Shiva, Shivam.
So yeah, hello. Hi.
Yeah, Aditya.
So I think a lot of implementation is left to be done by all of us. I mean it was a daily course, daily we were learning new things. So I think from my
Yeah.
side, a lot of implementation work is left to be done. So
Yeah, implementation. So you can see videos and implement it
uh,
day by day.
so if you
Make
have to
your own set
prioritize,
of notes from the web.
correct. So you have uploaded all the recorded videos to that portal, no? That
Yeah. I
LMS
believe my backend team has
of
done that.
Only the
Except
last 5
today
days
or
is left.
yesterday. Yeah.
okay. Okay. So if you have to prioritize the implementation, which one should we start with? I think I was planning to start with from SEO first, and parallelly I was planning to do this LinkedIn marketing uh, for social media marketing.
Yeah, you can do this way also. You can do SEO plus Google Ads because that will give
Mm.
you instant money. But right now, I don't know about your market, how many people are applying
Mm.
for loans, or is that loan
Mm.
changing people are doing. So that depends. If your
Okay.
market has a search value, then you can go for that as well.
Mm.
So that depends. But SEO, so definitely you start along with any of the other
Along with it.
activities
All right.
because SEO is long term. It will take time.
Correct. Correct. Mm. SEO is something which is ongoing. Mm.
Yeah. Anything else? Any question? No questions, I believe. So let's end this class. Thank you guys for attending this course and showing your patience to attend it. And best of luck for your future in terms of whether you want to grow business or you want to do your job. Okay. It is great to connect with you. Anywhere you get stuck, you can always reach out to me. Thank you guys.